Welcome back to my channel, beauties. I'm going to be doing a builder gel tutorial using the Saviland 12-piece builder gel set that I got from Amazon. So if you want to see how I did my nails, please keep on watching. So let's get straight into this box. It comes with 12 pieces of builder gel. It also comes with these 3-piece set of Saviland brushes as well as some nail forms. And now I'm just going to go ahead and show you all of the colors, starting with this pink one.
Didn't think I'd go this far, but here we are, the end. Now you're just a lesson learned, a slowly fading memory, so I can breathe again. Gain my trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth, but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's all lies, all lies.
So the colors I'm going to be using today is the nude pink as well as 3 of these gorgeous glitters. So now I'm going to be doing the Apres Dupe method, which is simply applying primer as well as base gel or poly gel to the nail tip and adhering to my nail. Once you are done applying that poly gel to your nail, you're ready to apply your nail tip. So you would press down on your nails until all of that air bubble is out and then put it under your UV lamp to cure before you go ahead and start filing and buffing the nail.
There is a place where you can run free, sun does not exist.
Okay, so we are now ready to apply this builder gel onto our nail after we have already applied the base gel and cured. I did watch a few videos and most of the videos say make sure not to lift the brush off of the nail because this is super sticky, super sticky. So you apply your little small bead at the tip first and then you just go around in circles, almost like rubbing icing on a cake. I don't know why I always make a reference to cake and cupcakes. But you grab small beads and you simply work from left to right, circle up and down, however you like. Just don't let the brush leave the nail because then the builder gel will pull away and it just makes it more, it makes it more difficult for you to get the shape. Now, this builder gel is self-leveling, I will say that. So once you have every hole covered, every crevice, everything in place, it levels itself. I did do my nail upside down and then I cured this under my UV lamp. Now I do want to do like a little glitter ombre on the tip of my nail, so that's why I'm going in with these 3 colors. I'll let you watch for a little bit and then I'll come back. Now, I don't know what happened, but for some reason the bristles from this brush started to come out. And so I started to pull and then more bristles came out and more and more and more. So I don't know, Saviland, you gotta make sure your brushes can handle all of this heavy duty work. So just a note, your brush may be a little bit faulty when you are applying this. So you might need to invest in some stronger brushes. So after battling with the bristles of my brush, I am now going to go ahead and cover this, encapsulate this with the clear build gel over the entire nail before I file and whip them into shape.
Yeah.
So here is how this thumb is looking. I like it. It looks really nice. I think it's a little bit on the thick side because I did actually do a second layer off camera. So I think for my other nails, I'm not going to do a second layer. I'm just going to do one layer and see how that turns out. I'm using some of these Macart Heart rhinestones as well as some other rhinestones that I got off of Amazon to decorate this nail, and I applied some of my Beetles top gel. So let's move on to my other nails, starting by applying the tips, applying the pink nude builder gel, and then applying some ombre glitter builder gel onto the last fingers. Once I'm done filing, I take my electric file from Melody Susie just to give these a little smoother shape, apply some top coat as well as these holographic stickers and some rhinestones to finish off this look. And this is how these nails turned out. So for a first time user for Build Gel, I can say that I really enjoyed using them. They weren't as difficult as some people make them out to be, but I do hope you give it a try, and I will see you in the next video.